Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about something related to configuration. Now friends, later down the line in this course we will firstly try to check JDBC, MySQL database connectivity and all those stuff, and then we will also try to check Hibernate. So in this video, this is the existing application. Let me quickly show you how to add the dependencies of Hibernate and MySQL. So let's get started. So in here, let me Google for Hibernate Maven. Here we go. And in here, if I click on repository, then it will give us a list of many versions, and it will also give us this warning that this artifact was moved. So let me click on this particular warning. Take a note of the URL. So in here the current version is 6.0.0 alpha. You can use this, or if you are comfortable with the final version, you can again make use of this as well. So it's up to you. Either you can make use of final version, or you can make use of the alpha version, the 6th version of Hibernate. Now friends, I feel more comfortable with the final version, so we will go with this version 5.4.3, but even if you go with the 6th version, it should work just fine. Alright, so there is always backward compatibility maintained, so don't worry about like legacy code not executing on later jars. It will and it should run properly. So in here, let me navigate to this particular link, and there are like couple of dependencies again. Now we need not to worry about these dependencies. These are compiled dependencies, and what Maven will add these dependency right away for us. So this is the benefit of Maven. So let me expand this and add the dependencies. So I will be pasting the code, pasting the XML fragment just before ending this dependencies tag. So let me paste it, let me format things a little, and let me save the changes. So as soon as I do this, Maven will start building the workspace. Moreover, let us navigate to Maven repository once again, and in here, search for MySQL. Here we go. And you will get this connector jar option. Click on this and go with the latest version definitely, and copy this part, navigate to Eclipse and paste it in the pom.xml and format things a little. Alright, now friends, we are all set, and if you find any difficulty later down the line, you can simply check the errors, and you can simply try to check for dependencies and all those kind of stuff. But the bottom line is Hibernate makes life easy, right? So using these two fragment of XML code, we were able to add many jar files into our Maven dependencies. Let me show you. So if I show you the Maven dependencies, then you will see that there is a huge number of jars which are present into our existing project. Now this is cool, this is nice, but sometimes we need to go old school. We need to create the old school project. We need to get rid of Maven, and we need to do it manually, right? So there could be scenarios where Maven is not used, and you are adding the jars manually and then managing stuff out of yourself. Even that is possible. So in order to understand the scenario where we go old school, we install older software, we install older Tomcat, how to handle those kind of scenario. We, for example, use older jars. So those kind of scenarios is something which we will see in our forthcoming videos. Now friends, you can definitely move forward with the existing Maven setup, but now upcoming videos will give you a better idea how exactly jars and build path and those stuff can be handled if anytime you have to handle them manually. Alright, so having said this, in our next video, first of all we will check the configuration. and we will make use of older version of Eclipse, older version of Tomcat, and those are obsolete, but how to get them via internet and all sort of those things will be discussed in our next video. But you can continue using this Eclipse, but I will recommend to go old school and follow the tutorial as they are shown. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.